Vibe. This is like middle school prom.
Reishi, To Pimp a Butterfly or Good Kid, Mad City?
Good Kid, Mad City.
Why?
Because it's better. T-Pab is,
Wait, I know what you're about to say. Let me say it for you, because this is what everyone says. T-Pab is the better album, but Good Kid, Mad City is the better listen. Is that what you're gonna say?
kinda.
You were gonna say, I personally.
I mean,
Good Kid,
kinda,
Mad
yeah.
City more.
I think that honestly, like the storytelling in Good Kid is better. It feels more like a whole piece. You know what I'm saying?
It feels like a movie.
Like, yeah, it literally says a short film by Kendrick Lamar on the front. But it's like listening from like front to back on Good Kid is so much more like enjoyable. You know what I'm saying?
Facts.
Okay, I see it.
Yo, guys, I helped him buy this jacket today. You like it?
I love it, dude. I mean,
I freaking love it, dude.
I freaking love it, dude.
I freaking love it.
I flipping love it, dude.
You guys ready to leave?
Yeah, watch
Where we ready to go?
Siona's wedding.
Where are we going?
Downtown.
Downtown?
I'm gonna get my dick. Can we watch Siona's wedding?
Yes!
Bro, nobody wants to do that.
Okay,
Guys, we have 8 minutes. Can we go to Chipotle? Guys, we have 8 minutes. Can we go to Chipotle?
Yeah.
No one wants.
What about Deadly Justice, the movie?
Can you guys stop throwing things? Hey, these are not yours. These are his.
Things, dude. We're gonna have to pick both of you up again.
Ethan, are you okay?
I got slammed, dog.
Yo. What the hell? What the?
Oh yeah, I gotta change. My bad.
Yeah, I was wearing it first. Thanks.
Oh, shoot.
Yeezy, just above a jumpin'. Yeezy, just so accomplished. I done talked a lot of shit, but I just did the numbers. 2020, I'ma run the whole election.
Yeah, we here. Yo, black and yellow. That's right, Reishi. Run away from your emotions. Whoa, jeez, bro. Yo. Guys, look what she wrote.
That was for me. Yeah,
She wrote.
It was pre-written on the lid.
Why don't you just let me have something that I can hold on to for once? iPhone gang.
Oh,
Dude, get that out of here, bro. Bro, stop infecting my phone. You're gonna hack it, bro.
Yeah, the red answers I can't.
Oh no.
It's like Apple updated your phone and then made it slower. when it
Oh
updated.
yeah, no, sorry. I don't have, like an iPhone 7. I have, 10s. It's whatever.
Wow, you're so
Yeah, it hasn't done that yet. Because by the time it does that, I'll just get a new one.
So, you know what's cool about this is I can buy this on Amazon and put my SIM card in it.
Yeah, that's exactly what I did with this, right? I bought it unlocked and I just put my SIM card in there. I don't make payments on it. I bought it in cash.
Okay, I'm sorry, I'm poor.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Take the L. Take it.
Wait,
Take it.
I have a genuine
Grab it.
question. I have a genuine question. How much did you pay for it?
iPhone, gang.
Just threw in traffic.
What?
They just did it.
Through one?
Yeah.
Oh no, guys,
I think he's
security's
telling
here.
him to get out of there.
Security's here.
You can't see the lights on. Oh my god, we're gonna crash.
Yo, we got cookies, guys. Guys, I got this cookie right here. First of all, it slaps. Second of all, shout out to the Chip employee that gave me this cookie for free just because I tipped $1. I gave him my YouTube channel. I told him to subscribe. Bro, if you see this, please comment so I can pin your comment. Yeah, thank you for the cookie, bro. It slaps. That's all I gotta say. Can you come? I saw all this.
What the heck?
Bro, they're everywhere. Ding, but ants.
We gotta move them.
Oh, it's over for you. Dude, there's another one.
It's not my bedroom.
Bro, what do you gotta say for yourself?
It's not my bedroom.
Let's go check. Let's just go check your bathroom.
That's fine. We don't have to.
No, let's go check.
That's fine. We don't have to check.
Can you get your hand off my hand?
No,
Look,
dude.
I just want to check it real quick. Okay.
Alright.
I was thinking, since we don't have very much footage, we could end the vlog off with dancing to a couple songs that we like in slow motion and make it look really cinematic.
And only Monty can sing.
And you.
RS.
RS?
We all just like.
Yo, let's listen to Reggie's music. Yo guys, look at this cool vinyl player they have though.
Yeah, he's fine. Doesn't work though.
Ooh. Yeah, it
can
kind of
rap.
broke it. It kind of broke it.
What am I
now.
playing though?
Dude, what's hype song?
You're the only power. You're the only power that can. You're the only power. You're the only power that can.
If Young Metro don't trust you, I'm gon' shoot you. Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning, babe. Nothing in the morning. Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning, babe. Nothing in the morning.
How does 2 seconds of jamming out end like this? Oh my gosh. It's everywhere.
Bro, we killed him. He's dead.
Ethan, I'm sorry, I didn't know.
How my nose looking? You're hot, bro.
Dude, you're still hot. You're still hot. It's okay.
Oh man.
Hit us with an inspiring quote.
Don't do drugs. Unless it's weed. Weed's fine.
Whoa! No! You got say weed's bad. Say weed's bad.
This is a Christian server. Weed's bad.
Okay, there we go. Thank you.
Dude, that was the most badass moment of my life.
How did that end? That like literally ended so bad so quickly.
Oh my god.
Why didn't you dance? Why didn't you dance? Why didn't you dance?
Because you didn't say I could.
Yeah, I said you could.
No, you didn't.
She picked it up.
You were like, oh, we're gonna take Reggie over, but you didn't say anything. So.
I will grab you and throw you in there, and then you have to dance all by yourself.
Wait,
How about
what?
that?
I have a boyfriend.
Catch that out, say so.
Dude,
I don't know how.
she has a
well,
boyfriend.
Bad.
Are you kidding?
but I'm still feeling it too.
Square up.
Dude, fight me. Beat me up. Whoa. Whoa. Jeez, bro, chill. How did everyone...
I gotta go.
I gotta go. Ha. Now the whole world knows what your boyfriend looks like naked. Clown. Not that close. Alright,
Short ones in the front.
short ones in the front. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. Like the video if you want to see more. And comment down below if you want to see more.
Do it.
Yeah.
See you guys later. Everyone say bye.
Bitch, I got some clout. Bitch, I got some clout.